So from today we are covering one of the most important and most interesting playlist, right? And that is STL, that is Standard Template Library. So what is this? It is a simple, again, it is a, as name suggests, it is a template class. It is a class template in C++, right? It provides you with containers. It provides you with algorithm. It provides you iterators. So what are these that we are going to discuss now? Now, first of all, you need to remember that it is just a class template in C++, and it provides what? It provides containers. What are containers that I am going to discuss in this video? Next, it will provide you algorithm, and next it provides you iterator, or anything, iterator. So what is so let's discuss about this container like after 2 or 3 minutes. So now let's see what is algorithm. So algorithm means what? Like there will be some steps to solve a problem, right? Now I will tell you to sort. You need to sort an array. So what you will use? You can use bubble sort, right? You can use that. You can use insertion sort. You can use selection sort. You can use heap sort. You can use count sort. You can use bucket sort. Any sorting technique you can use, right? So what if I said you there is a single line that will replace all of this sorting techniques with providing much more optimization than these techniques what I said now. So when it comes to bubble sort, what is the biggest problem in bubble sort? So it will take big of n square time. So space complexity is not a problem here. Time complexity is a problem. So when I say you use count sort, that means it will work in the time complexity of big of n. It's fine, but the space will be taken is what? It is so much, right? So it will take so much space than any other sorting techniques. Now, what if I said you there is a sorting technique? So how do you write the code for that sorting technique? It is simple. You write sort, then write the starting index. Let me call it as array if it is array, and vector means vec.begin that we are going to discuss further in the upcoming videos. Now arr plus n means number of elements in there. So this can simply sort your array. You don't need to write in nested for loops like what you write in bubble sort and insertion sort. You will write like at least 10 to 15 lines of code, right? So you don't need to do that. So you can use this, which is optimized, means it will complete within the worst case possible time complexity is n log n. So why is that? So internally it is going to do intro sort, right? I think you will be not heard of this sorting techniques, that is intro sort. Intro, right? Intro sort. So what is intro sort? So it is just a combination of three sorting techniques. So what are these sorting techniques? These are the quick sort, right? Quick sort, which takes nearly n log n time complexity, and it uses heap sort. So there are three sorting techniques that will be used by intro sort. That is again comes under the sorting function, right? The first one is heap sort. It can use, or it can use again quick sort. Then it can use insertion sort. So based on condition, it will use these sorting techniques and give you the result within with most optimized time and space. Now, what if I said you do binary search? You'll write at least 9 lines of code, right? You can do with using while loop, or you can use with recursion. So obviously it will take more than 5-6 lines. What if I said you a single line, that is binary search from ARR plus n, which we are going to discuss further? So that can do your job, right? That is what the power of this STL. That is why I always said you in while doing the array problems or string problems. I still remember I said you 1,000 times to study this. Now I'm covering that video. Now what about iterators? Iterators is like a pointers. So pointers where you are going to use, you're going to use in array, right? These iterators are used in these containers. What are these containers? So let us talk about it. So iterators helps in traversing the vector, you can say. Even a simple I, like that what you take int I, can traverse through the vector, but still iterator can, it is just like a pointer that travels through the vector, through the map, through set, or many other containers it can traverse. Now let us talk about the important thing, that is container, which we are going to discuss in our videos. So containers. So what are this? So these are the data structures that are provided by STL. That's it. Containers means the data structure defined in STL or provided by STL. So there are three types of containers. One is sequential container, and second one is the ordered container, and third one is unordered container. So what is sequential container? You will be, I think I'll tell you one of the data structure which comes under sequential container, that is vector. So you most probably you will be knowing this, it is vector. Second thing is, again, I may use stack. So I think if you have studied data structure, you know how much hectic it becomes to create a simple stack, right? You need, if you use linked list, then it will become again so much headache. You need to write like tens and 50 lines of code. I mean, if you want to create and push, pull, and everything what I am talking about, that is 50 lines of code. What if I said you push can be done within a single line, pop can be done within a single line, right? Creation, it can be done within a single line, right? And third one is queues. Even queues can be done like this. And fourth one is pairs. So pairs. Now under ordered, so there are again four types: map, or not, or it is a second ordered container is multi-map. Third container would be under order, it could be set, and fourth could be multi-set, right? Now under unordered, there are again two things, that is unordered map and unordered set. So these are the things that I am going to cover this playlist, and it will be so much interesting to watch. It will be, I believe it would be so much interesting to watch, and obviously it is so much interesting for me to teach you. So thank you.